Everything is shiny, everything is new. The floor is a desert, the rug is a jungle. I'm ready for a jump, I'm ready for a tumble. What's that buzzing? A fly on the glass. What's that waving? The green, green grass. My whiskers are twitching, my tail is a spring. I'm the tiny explorer of every single thing. The dust in the sunlight is dancing for me. The shadow on the wall is a mystery to see. I'm sniffing at the air, it smells like a dream, like a bowl of the stars and a saucer of cream. A giant pair of boots, a mountain of a chair. I'm climbing up high just because it is there. My claws are like needles, my heart is a drum. I'm singing to the world. Here I come, here I come. Oh, the world is wide and the world is bright. I'm chasing the morning, I'm catching the light. 10,000 miles in my tiny little paws, living by the happy kitty wonderland laws. It's a long, long road, it's a beautiful life, cutting through the boredom like a butter knife. Yeah, I'm small, but I'm brave and I'm free. Hey! Every sound is a song. Yeah! Every day is a year long. Yeah! I'm gonna see the forest, I'm gonna see the moon. I'm gonna grow up, but not too soon. One step, two step, over the mat. Who's gonna be a legendary cat? That's me. That's me. I heard a little bird, I felt a little breeze. I'm learning how to talk to the ladybugs and bees. My belly is full and my spirit is wild. I'm the universe's favorite golden child. There's a million secrets waiting to be told. A story of a kitten who is daring and bold.